Exactly 1 year ago I posted my first video, and it's been fun since then. I like posting, I like making videos, meeting other people. But in this video I'm going to give you a quick reflection on how this past year has been. You're maybe watching this and I have 1 million subs and you're like, what this guy is talking about? But at the time of this recording I only have 402 subscribers, I believe, which is not bad. I have like 20 videos or something, so I think that's above average. This is just me talking in front of the camera, and I'm gonna give some commitments to myself and to my couple hundred subs that I have now. I had people reaching out to me asking like, why don't you post more, or like, your videos are great, you should have more subscribers. And I know everything, but as you know, I'm a real estate agent, and it's really challenging to make a video while in the middle of the day you just have to go show a house, or maybe you gotta meet the offer deadline. Now it's April of 2024 and I already have like 10 closings. I have 3 listings, I have 3 pending listings. And real estate isn't my side hustle, that's my full-time job. That's all I do to survive and to pay my bills. So it's not like I can miss out and go full-time on YouTube. It's been a busy time for me. So let's jump into my YouTube studio analytics so I can show you my YouTube growth. So this was my first video, how much money I made my first year as a real estate agent. So let's see what happened there. That was my first video, and to be honest, the first video is the hardest one to post because you're kind of afraid and you don't know what people are going to think. You're just being too self-conscious. So I actually got 1.2 thousand views on this video, 33 watch hours, 28 subscribers. It was my first video, and it did pretty well because I made a publishment on Facebook, on Instagram, that I started my YouTube channel, and people were probably interested to see. So 48% of my audience came from suggested videos. When you're watching something and you see on the right those videos, so I was one of those videos apparently. And then this was my vlog, realistic day in the life of a real estate agent. And then I just started posting like every other week, should you get your real estate license? And then I had some interview with a friend, he's a real estate investor. That did pretty well. I realized that making those kind of videos is much easier than just doing a talking head videos like this one. Because I'm just filming him, showing his properties, asking questions. In the future I'm probably going to focus more on talking to those kind of people, investors and really successful entrepreneurs. That's kind of my passion as well. And the next one did extremely well. It's called What Not to Fix When Selling a House, and this video is still getting views. This was like my first viral video. It got 26,000 views. I know days where I would get like 1,000 views on this video. Funny, I have 400 subs and 168 subscribers came from this particular video. So it's like 80-20 principle is real. And I saw some other YouTubers, they just had one video that took off. I really wasn't expecting this. I just saw like 500 views first day, then 1,000 next day, then it just kept going up, and it's still going up. The weirdest thing about this video is I have no idea what made this video so successful. Maybe it's just the title, the thumbnail, I don't know, it just became so popular. And I tried to replicate that video as well, like to do a similar topic. I made a video, how to sell a house without an agent, FISBO step-by-step guide. That did okay. Dumb mistakes I made my first year as a real estate agent, so that's a good one. And I try posting like every other week. Why I left Keller Williams to join eXp Realty. So the purpose of this video was to bring people to eXp Realty, and I did brought a lot of people just from this video. And I did one video that did really well as well. It's with my friend Bobby. He has 96 units. He's a real estate investor, and the first day I got like 1,000 views. It was just really good. I got 42 subscribers from that, and I got 432 watch hours. And yeah, I have 21 video. The last video I made was how to increase your home value in 2024. To be honest, I thought this video is going to do much better. and it just didn't. I thought it's a no-brainer to click on this, and I made a really nice thumbnail, and I was using TubeBuddy and I was doing a keyword research. That's the funniest thing, you know, on this video that I got 26,000 views, you know, I did nothing special. I just posted the video like last minute. I just felt inspired to make one of those videos, and I woke up one day and I just filmed the video. So yeah, that's my dashboard. I'm debating with myself. I was thinking, like, should I make videos about being a real estate agent because that's where I feel credible about? Should I be making videos about investing, about mindset and stuff like that? Also, one big thing for me was like English is not my first language, and now I'm speaking better and better because all these books and much more I'm reading out loud every day to practice my English, and I'm talking to people daily on the phone because I'm a real estate agent and my English is getting better and better. But a lot of these videos I had to figure out what to say and how to say, because there are certain words I cannot pronounce without people laughing at me. So that was a challenging part, just writing those I wouldn't say scripts, but writing what do I want to say, how do I want to say it. So that was taking a lot of time. Also editing takes a lot of time. On every video I spent maybe between 5 to 10 hours with editing, with filming and everything. So what a lot of people don't understand is this is a full-time job basically. If you want to call yourself a YouTuber, if you want to be a successful one, that's a full-time job. I think people feel self-conscious. You think that everyone is watching you, everyone cares what you do, but nobody cares. People have their own problems, people have their own lives, and nothing crazy is gonna happen if you just post a YouTube video one day. And I think the hardest thing is just to start. Now I have 400 subscribers, and sometimes I wonder, you know, who these people are. Like, that's 400 people. You know, the restaurant that I was working in could take maybe 200 people. So this is basically 2 restaurants of my subscribers. So who are those people? I have no idea. If you are one of my subscribers, please comment down below so I can see somebody. And I'll probably outsource the editing at some point in time, just to make my life much easier. You know, if I can just sit here and film videos, talk in a camera, and somebody can just edit that would be perfect. And I know you can do that, but when I started a YouTube channel I thought about doing that, but I didn't have the budget for that. Yeah, let me just grab my coffee here. So like I said, this video is just about me talking to camera about what's going on with the YouTube channel. I will definitely try to keep posting one video a week. And it's not about money for me. I know this is so cliche thing to say, but really I'm not doing this for the money. I enjoy making YouTube videos, especially if I'm filming with somebody. It's a new experience every time, and the people that you meet, and especially if I can be talking like this and provide value to someone. Because somebody, you know, the things that I experience in real estate or entrepreneurship can be really valuable to someone. Sometimes it's just one of those things where you don't feel credible enough to talk about a certain topic or a certain subject. I cannot make a video how to sell 100 homes a year because I haven't done it. Even though I know the formula how to sell 100 homes a year, I never did it, so I cannot be making that kind of video. And that's the thing with me, that I really cannot teach people how to do something that I never done in my life. Sometimes I just don't post a YouTube video and I forget completely about my YouTube channel, and then somebody reaches out on Instagram, hey brother, you should be posting more, you know, I like your content. And then I feel bad, and it makes me think these 400 people that I currently have, those are real people, like I said. And it's not like I'm acting like some celebrity. I can turn off this channel right now, I can delete everything, and this world is not going to change. Nothing's gonna change if I don't post a video. The only thing that's gonna be impacted is me. There is plenty of entrepreneurs, plenty of realtors, plenty of really successful people on YouTube, and everyone has a different personality. And I think YouTube is really scalable. That's what I like about that. You can make a video now, and if you're monetized, of course, it can keep making you money for the rest of your life, or the rest of YouTube's life. I think YouTube is really sustainable, and if anyone is watching this and they want to start, my advice would be just start. If you are still watching this, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any suggestions, write in the comments down below.